What's going on, traders? I'm back from doing dark sage things. So, it's bot check-in Sunday. I've decided, since I wasn't here on Friday, to start doing bot check-ins every Sunday. And since we're currently in a bit of a bear trend, my bots look terrible. However, that doesn't mean that they're not working. Come over here to transaction on the doggy bot, and we could see that today on the 12th, the doggy bot has had 2 buy and sell transactions. So we're still working. It says it's had 3 in the last 24 hours. Cool. Doggy bot is still working. When I stop the bot, I will not let it go into USDT. I'm actually building up my doggy coin. You can call it Doge. I call it doggy. It's right there in the name, dog E, okay? I don't want to keep explaining myself. Anyway, so if I go stop the bot, it actually asks, do I want help selling it into USDT? Answers, of course not. I'm not going to stop it right now. I'm going to discard this. Same thing over here for the Bitcoin USDT bot. When I go to stop it, it's going to ask the exact same thing. Let's look at how many transactions. Okay, it's had 16 transactions in the last 24 hours. So I'm good with that, because what that means to me is it's stacking Satoshis. Okay, it thinks it's stacking USDT, but when it comes time to sell, I'm not selling that into USDT. I'm stacking my Satoshis. Down here, okay. Oh, this is the Grid Infinity bot. Same deal with this. When I stop the bot, I'm stacking Satoshis. I could care less about USDT. Seriously. Couldn't care less about USDT. So yeah, wow. It's had a lot of transactions in the last, where's this total? Yeah, this is total history. Yeah, because this is an infinity bot. Um, Instead of the last 24 hours, the infinity bot shows total transactions, period. You have to look down here to see when and where it bought. Um, it had 2 buys. It had one on the 11th, one on the 10th. They both sold out today. Here's 12/12, so it bought and sold today. So it's had actually like 3 transactions that concluded on the 12th, which is today. So again, good with that. Never have a problem when the bots are rolling, making money. Now this one's going to be a little bit different, simply because in order for it to transact, it has to come back into play. And like I showed you guys last time, it hasn't made a move since 327. It can't make a move until it comes back on grid. That's going to take a while. We're going to have to get out of this bear trend that we're currently in. Same thing with Matic, back at 327. Go down to Filecoin. Okay, Filecoin's a little bit better. 4.9 was the last transactions that are waiting to be sold. So that's over a month ago. So yeah, we've got 3 bots that are just out of touch with the market right now. I'm thinking about stopping them, but I really don't want to. I really want them to come back into profit. Almost willing to wait for that. You know, diamond hands kind of guy. So over here, what we're really here for, the analysis. Since we last spoke, the market has been on a wild ride, Haven't been able to get above the old consolidation line, which is also laying at the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level. Currently, the 50% retracement level is acting as resistance for us. However, looks like we're finding some support at the 61.8 retracement level. So we could wind up being in a Fibonacci channel right here for a bit. At least that's what it looks like for the time being. While I was away, I only looked at the charts like twice. I happened to check it on the day where we had this big drop, which basically put us in the situation that we're in right now. As you can see by this long wick over here, that's what stopped us. It stopped us right just at the 50% retracement level. And looks like our area of support, we have it starting here. We have a wick, a couple of wicks that touched it and bounced off. So yeah, looks like we're stuck in a Fibonacci channel for a while. Don't know how long that'll be. Looking at the two MACDs down there, looks like we'll be breaking out of it. And the price is starting to move up right now. I don't remember if I said the time or not. I probably did, so I'm not going to go back over it. Anyway, that's where we are, guys. If we're not able to break above the 50% retracement level, we will most likely wind up bouncing off of it. We could wind up with another long red candle like this. This all right here is an obvious consolidation, even though I'm not going to mark it on the chart. It is an obvious consolidation period that we're going through. Let's see. If I did mark it, it would be from here to here. Huh. Okay. I guess it's worthy of putting up there. So let's go ahead and mark that puppy. Okay. About right there. Boom. Spread it out. I would end it right there. I would begin it right here. And yeah, let's get our consolidation line going. Approximately right there. Boom. Need to move it just a tad. There we go. Darken it up real quick so I know it's new. And as you can see, the price has already bounced off of it. That's where we have our green wick right here, bouncing off of the new consolidation line. So this is a good consolidation box right here. I wasn't actually going to frame it right now. I wasn't going to frame it at all. I was going to just let it slide. But I decided, what the hell. So you guys got to see me put up an old style consolidation box really quick. Color it in. Boom, we're good to go. So that's what I'm seeing, guys. Again, we have the same situation that we had up here where the consolidation line is like cutting us off of half of what we're going through right here. Because I'm going to tell you right now, the 61.8 retracement level and the 50% retracement level, that's actually our little channel right now. And in between that, you can see the consolidation line. So two things have to happen. One, we have to stay above the consolidation line, and we have to break the 50% retracement level. Get back up in here to the consolidation channel once again. Unfortunately, actually, I'm going to take that off of there. I don't think that that's really in play anymore as far as the channel goes. So, got to get above the 50. Got to stay above this consolidation line. If we can get above the 50, maybe we'll be able to break through the 38.2 retracement level and hopefully up towards the 65K trigger point. That 70K trigger point that I've been chomping the bit at, it's not happening anytime soon. As a matter of fact, I would expect it to happen later in the year, maybe post, I won't say post summer, but let's say July maybe. If we can, if we don't break out of this little funk that we're in. But that's where we are, so I'm going to leave it here. I've been going on for a while. I can see that now. You guys have a blessed day. I will see you tomorrow. This is the Dark Sage signing out. Peace.